welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. In this episode, we're going to be installing a reverse osmosis water filtration system from Frizzlife, the M800. But if you're in a hurry and just trying to get a discount on this and you already know all about it, feel free to use the promo code ADVENTURETECH, get a discount, use the links in the comments or the description to get down to that page, get a good deal and help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. Today we are focusing on a crucial and essential piece of your adventure experience, which is clean water. And today we're going to be unboxing and checking out Frizzlife's brand new M800. Gives you up to 4-to-1 pure water, removes 99.99% of contaminants, PFOS, PFOAs, selenium, barium, TDS, fluoride, arsenic, chromium 4, chromium 7, chromium 6, turbidity, nitrate, chlorine, and cadmium. And in my opinion, I would rather not have them in my water that I'm drinking. So basically what you got here is a household mineral water machine. You can create bottle grade mineral water at home infused with essential minerals just like premium bottle brands. No need to plug it in, there's zero electricity needed, eco-friendly, cost saving. And this is a tankless RO system powered only by water pressure. No electric pump needed, very quiet. The installation process is really simple and straightforward. It's got the flange and the gasket, put it through the sink, then add the other gasket on the other side, and then just screw this plastic piece on pretty tight. Don't over tighten it, but get it tight enough where the faucet's gonna stand up just fine. The water lines connect very easily, just push them in like this. And add these blue clips to lock them in place. It is a space-saving and easy-to-install design, and it has a TDS monitor giving you real-time information like filter life reminder. Simple as that. You're going to want to push the faucet off to the side so that when you're using it, it's not in the way. Looks pretty good. Now we're going to actually attach the water filters underneath this sink. Comes with this little drilling layout. It's pretty easy, just stick it on there. And since it's a tank-free design, you can be able to fit this in places where you're not going to be able to fit traditional RO systems. Connect the water lines to the filter. Use the blue clips to lock them in place. Also connect the wastewater line. Lock that in place. This kit comes with a little setup where you can actually drill a hole into the drain underneath the sink and add that wastewater line that way, or you can reroute the wastewater line wherever you want. So the filter is made up of a PP folded paper, a carbon block, scale inhibitor, a PP cotton, a 0.0001 nanometer RO membrane, another carbon block, an alkaline booster, mineral booster, and then the PP cotton on the way out. 8 stages to give you the most clean and amazing tasting water you can imagine. The last step is simply connecting your water line. This comes with a T-connector if you want to connect this to an existing setup, or you can just connect it directly to the water like we're going to be doing here on this setup. And there you go, it's all finished. It was that simple. Not really sure if this is the final location for it, but it's so much smaller than I thought it was going to be. It really gives me a lot more space, a lot more flexibility with my installation options. I'm definitely glad to have this in here because it's such a low profile filter, very few water lines, very clean, very happy with it. And the faucet really isn't that bad. I like how it looks. It's probably going to stay right where it is. So if you're trying to pick one of these up, you can use the promo code ADVENTURETECH, get an additional discount on top of the price right now. Use the links in the comments or the description. You get right over to that page, get a good deal and help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. And everybody watching this can subscribe 100% for free just by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about this new tech.